Good morning, students. I am Bhatti Samina. The name of my school is Sri Sahajanan English Medium School, Natage at Ona. Okay, I am taking SS. Today I am taking 6th standard SS, chapter number 8, Unity in Diversity. Our half chapter was completed. Now the remaining chapter will start. So we was completed from things. Now we will be start the activity. Make of the list festival celebrated in India from the calendar. Calendar wise, we will be a celebration. Classify the festival on the basis of the religion in the given tables. Okay, so according to the calendar, which festivals are coming first in the Hindu religions and after the Muslims, Christians, Jain, Buddhism, and Parsis. So first is a Hindu. So did you know which festival came first in the Hindu religion? First festival is came Uttarayan in January. Okay, 14 January Uttarayan came. Then the Bengal Mahashivratri, Holi in the March, Gudi Padwa, Ram Navami in April. Okay, so Ganesh Chaturthi, Ram Navami after Raksha Bandhan in August, then Janmashtami, Ganesh Chaturthi. It's previous when Ganesh Chaturthi. Okay, Anam, Navratri, Durga Puja, Dasera, and Diwali. Diwali is into November. Then the December and January came to Uttarayan. So it's a calendar wise the festivals are celebrated religions of Hindu. Okay. Now the Muslims. First, according to calendar, Bakra Eid, Moharram, Eid al-Fitr, and Eid al-Milad. In Christian, they have only one festival, that is a Christmas, in the 25th December. In Jain, one main celebration festival is a Mahavir Jayanti. Buddha in Buddhi Purnima, and Parsi is Navroz. These festivals are according to the calendar. Okay, beta. Apart from this festival, which other festival we celebrated together? Why? ये सब फेस्टिवल होने के बावजूद ऐसा कौन से फेस्टिवल्स हैं जो पूरी कंट्री एक साथ मनाती हैं? जैसे मुस्लिम्स हैं वो अपना फेस्टिवल बनाते हैं, ईद और बकरा ईद और ये सब. हिंदू है वो अपना फेस्टिवल बनाते हैं जैसे होली, दिवाली, रक्षाबंधन, गणेश चतुर्थी. क्रिश्चियंस क्रिसमस बनाते हैं. ये सब होने के बावजूद ऐसे कौन से फेस्टिवल्स हैं जो हर पूरी कंट्री एक साथ मनाती है? ओके, दैट्स कॉल्ड अ नेशनल फेस्टिवल्स. So the festivals are three national festivals which we celebrated together: Republic Day, Independence Day, and the Gandhi Jayanti. They are our national festival. Therefore, we celebrated together of these festivals. Okay, beta. Why is the day of the festival declared a public holiday even when it is related to the particular religion? It's a particular religion, beta, but we can't want to given the particular religions for the holiday कि अगर हिंदू का फेस्टिवल है तो सिर्फ उन्हें छुट्टी दो, मुस्लिम का है तो सिर्फ उन्हें दो ना. इट्स नॉट गुड. सो इट्स अ गिव because we are living in the unity in diversity, so it is not good. So given the holidays, okay, of this particular religion also. How do you practice in the celebration of the festival of other religion and the sects? We also celebrated to another religion because we are living in the united country, so all religions have to be celebrated together each other. Okay, find out about a festival celebrated by your friends who belong to the different religion. Okay, तुम्हारे को ये सब फ्रेंड है जो तुम्हारे बहुत नज़दीक है, तो फाइंड आउट करो कि उसका कौन सा फेस्टिवल है जो वो बहुत अच्छे से सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. ओके, which three festivals are celebrated by the entire country together? Which festival entire country will be doing together? I was told three festivals: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, third, they do not belong to the any particular religions. Write their name in the box given. Okay, पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन्स जो है जो हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं वो क्या है? इंडिया इज़ अ नॉन सेक्युलर सेक्शन. इंडिया इज़ अ नॉन सेक्युलर नेशन. Indian political system is a natural in the matter of the religions. All religions are treated equal by the state. Okay, all religions will be equal. Even citizen of the Indian has a right to the following any religions. Thus, the India has adopted the policy of the equal towards of the religions. Even though some festival in the calendar belong to the some religions or a sect, they are the declared a public holiday. That's why they have to be a declared of the public holiday. And which festival we have to be a together: Republic Day, Independence Day, and Gandhi Jayanti. So these questions also things. हाउ वुड यू फील इफ़ यू आर शो ओनली अ गुजराती फिल्म? अगर सिर्फ तुम गुजराती फिल्म देखोगे तो क्या होगा? इफ़ आई एम फोर्स टू सी ओनली अ गुजराती मूवीज़, आई विल लूज इंटरेस्ट इन वॉचिंग मूवी एंड गेट द बोर्ड. अगर मुझे कोई ने बोला कि सिर्फ तुम्हें गुजराती मूवी ही देखनी है, तो वी विल बी अ सी, बट आफ्टरवर्ड्स वी विल बी लेटर ऑन वी विल बी बोर्ड. Finally, I will stop watching movie because I want interested of all movies. But if anyone say to me only see the Gujarati, it's possible. So you also think about this question for yourself कि अगर तुम ये question तुम्हें कोई पूछता है तो तुम्हारा क्या आंसर होता है. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, राइट द नेम ऑफ द लैंग्वेज विच यू लाइक टू हियर. कौन कौन सी लैंग्वेज है जो तुम्हें सुनने अच्छी लगती है? तो आई एम प्रिफर टू लिसनिंग लाइक फॉर द फॉलोइंग लैंग्वेज आर मीन्स गुजराती, संस्कृत, हिंदी, another of Punjabi also like, okay, because we can understood little on. If we say the Malayalam and Tamil, we heard it's a good is hearing, but we can't understood. Okay beta, do you like to hear or speak any other language apart from your mother tongue? तुम्हारी मदर टंग के सिवा तुम्हें कोई और लैंग्वेज है जो बोलनी अच्छी लगती है? यस, आई लाइक, ओके, बिकॉज I want to listening like a Hindi and the another than my mother tongue of Gujarati. But okay, so this language including my the Gujarati words also we will be a another language also we have to speaking. कभी कभी तो हमें पंजाबी बोलने भी अच्छी लगती है, तुसी क्या कर रहे हो तुसी. So we have to from our mother tongue some the another language. Mother tongue also another language also like a hearing and saying to its look like a good. What a difficulty will you face if you know only one language? अगर तुम सिर्फ एक ही लैंग्वेज जानते हो तो तुम्हें क्या डिफ़िकल्टी होगी बेटा? इफ़ यू नो ओनली गुजराती, so we will be going into the Delhi or in another, so we can't understood their language because their local language also different. But Hindi is a common language. If you are going to any state, you will be heard because it's our national language. Okay, beta. If we only the mother tongue, I will not understand another language. Therefore, I will not to be able to make a friends who speak the other language. If I visit the other state where the different language are spoken, I will फेस लॉट्स ऑफ डिफ़िकल्टीज देयर टू. अगर हम महाराष्ट्र में जाएंगे तो लोकल पीपल आर हैव टू स्पीकिंग मराठी, so we will be faced because we know Gujarati and they know only Marathi. So what can we have to be connected each other? So one language is a Hindi, is a local language, our national language, so everybody know and understood of this language. So we want to knowing the another language practice also. Okay beta. इंडिया इज़ अ वेरी वास्ट कंट्री. इंडिया बहुत बड़ी कंट्री है. वास्ट मीन बहुत बड़ी कंट्री है. इंडिया लिव हैप्पीली टुगेदर डिस्पाइट ऑल द डिफरेंसेस इन द कास्ट, रिलीजन्स, language, religions, beliefs and the customs. Even though there is a diversity in our culture, we remain united. हमारी सबकी लैंग्वेज अलग है, रहने का तरीका अलग है, कास्ट अलग है, रिलीजन्स अलग है, कॉस्ट्यूम्स पहनने का तरीका अलग है, बट वी हैव टू लिविंग इन आवर कल्चर, वी हैव टू बी इन यूनाइटेड. ओके, दिस इज़ अ बेसिक फीचर ऑफ द इंडियंस कल्चर एंड द सिविलाइजेशन. We have adopted one constitution and the one currency of the smoothly administration of the entire country. हमारी कंट्री वन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन यानी एक सबके लिए एक जैसे कानून, एक जैसी करेंसी जो हमारे एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन को स्मूथली ले जाती है एंटायर कंट्री. ओके, एन इंडियन सिटीजन वेरी इज फ्रॉम गुजरात और फ्रॉम केरला. इट इज़ अ प्राउड टू बी इन इंडियन and respect the constitution. Our constitution also reflected in the ideology of the united in diversity. We value our national integrity. In your notebook, note down the national symbols which express unity in diversity of our country. So why do we honor the entire cricket team when they play with the some other countries, knowing that the team members belong to the different state and speak different languages? Okay, I have a respect and honor for the playing cricket Indian cricket team because through their from the different state and speak different language, but they are playing of our country of India. Okay, beta. The second question is okay. Where do you get the see unity in the diversity other than the example given above? Okay. Beside this, I find united in diversity in the traveling of the some bus on the tour of इंडिया की टूर के लिए हम कहीं पे निकले हैं. पीपल गैदर्ड इन द असेंबली हॉल इन द कॉन्फ्रेंस ऑफ द पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज ड्यूरिंग द डिफरेंस programs on the Republic Day celebration on 26 January at Delhi. So we will be the same we will doing the for our country. Now in the spirit of the diversity in India, there was a strong feeling of unity in the people of the Indian during freedom movement. A high level of the national feeling in the patriotism were seen in the people. अगर हम कहीं पे भी साथ होते हैं तो हमारे में एक स्ट्रॉन्ग फीलिंग आती है कि वी आर द इंडियंस. फ्रीडम मूवमेंट स्पेशली वी विल बी given the spirit into Independence Day and the Republic Day. We are Indian, okay. A high level national feelings and the patriotism we seen in the people. यानी हमारे अंदर से हमारी एक देशभक्ति निकलती है. ओके बेटा. Indian straight lines in its unity in diversity. During the British rule, India united to fight together to the freedom struggle deposits as a difference in the religions, language, and the regions. Whenever the freedom fighters will be started against of the British rule, so on that time no one see which religions will be following, but they are all the Indian and they have to fight together against of the British rules. Even their language are different, their religions are different, but the freedom struggle they will be doing together. People of the different communities came together to participated in the freedom movement. अलग अलग जगह से अलग अलग community से फिर भी they have to be started the fighting freedom fighting against of the British. They will be together. Indian unity opposed the British rule, protesting against them through the different way and also went to the jail survive time. हर कोई ब्रिटिश के ख़िलाफ़ जाके अपने आप ब्रिटिश जब उन्हें पकड़ के जेल में डाल देती थी वो उन्होंने बहुत टाइम तक अब वो सब चीज़ों को भी सर्वाइव किया है. बट दे आर फाइट टुगेदर अगेंस्ट ऑफ द ब्रिटिश रूल. The British thought that it would be easy to divide it and rule over the Indian because of their diversity. But the Indians proud that even though there are the difference from each other, they are the united and they stand as a one against the British rule. This has a proof that our freedom fighters and the immense patriotism. ब्रिटिश डिवाइडेड एंड रूल करके चाहते थे, यानी कंट्री को अलग अलग भाग में डिवाइडेड करना चाहते थे कि भाई तुम मुस्लिम हो, तुम हिंदू हो, तुम हिंदू हो, तुम मुस्लिम हो. तो उन्होंने तुम्हारे बारे में ऐसा बोला, ऐसे बोला, ताकि डिवाइडेड और रूल रहे. यानी हम अंदर अंदर लड़े तो हम ब्रिटिश के खिलाफ ना लड़ सकें, इसीलिए उसने डिवाइडेड एंड रूल किया था. लेकिन फिर भी हमारी कंट्री यूनाइटेड होके जो ब्रिटिश जो अंग्रेज़ों को था कि नहीं होगा कि ये एक हो जाएंगे या हमें निकालेंगे, वो हो चुका था. और हमने एट लास्ट वी हैव टू बी टेकन द फ्रीडम बिकॉज वी हैव टू यूनिटी एंड डाइवर्सिटी. ओके. ड्यूरिंग आवर फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल what characteristics of the Indian have been observed because of the diversity. So people of all religions like a Hindu, Muslim, Parsi, Buddha and Sikhs fight together freedom movement unitedly. Okay, Bahadur Shah Zafar, the Mughal Empire, and Vijay Ali Shah, the Nawab of Awadh, who participated in the revolt of the 1857, where Muslim many leaders were participated in the freedom struggle of the India, where Hindu and other castes also. Dadabhai Nauroji was a Parsi. Ashfaqullah Khan and the Maulana Abdul Kalam Azad were the Muslims, but they all have to be a start of freedom of fighting with together. Okay, give the example of freedom fighter who belong to the different religions and yet through the freedom struggle together. Do we need the such national education today? Why? Yes, national education is necessary today. There is a diversity in the caste, religions, language, food, dress, costumes, lifestyle, etc. in the people of India. Therefore, to keep India one and the united, the nation feeling among the people of necessary. Our country become a independent before 6 decades and this passed through many changes. Our country is a progresses through 5 years plan. Therefore, it is necessary to people of India forget that the internal differences of and cooperated in the development process of a country in order to achieve national unity. We want to be a whatever we done in the from the British rule. We want to fight here also with the together of whatever we want because we want to be a upper our country. Our national flag, national anthem, national song, and national symbol were the conceptualized during the freedom struggle. यानी हमारा जो national flag है, national anthem, national song, national symbol वो जो भी हुआ है वो freedom जब हम ब्रिटिश के अगेन लड़ रहे थे तभी ये सब चीज़ें डिस्क्राइब कर चुके थे कि ये हमारा नेशनल फ्लैग रहेगा, ये नेशनल एंथम रहेगा, ये सॉन्ग है, ये हमारा सिंबल है. ओके बेटा. Our national song and the flag maintain our trust in our unity and in integrity deposit our diversity. The flag was used to all over India as a symbol of our unity against the British rule कि हम सब साथ में हैं वो चीज़ दिखाने के लिए हमारा तिरंगा बनाया गया था. ओके बेटा कि हम अलग अलग रंग के होने के बावजूद हम एक हैं. The feeling of the nationalism and the patriotism is important to achieve the pride, prosperity, and glory that we had in the past. So we have to be proof ourselves in the freedom fighting. We are different, but we are together. This is a one poem of रंग रंगीला फूल अमेसुर रंग रंगीला फूल दैट इज़ अ गुजराती पोयम. ओके बेटा. भारत माँ ने खोले खिलता रंग रंगीला फूल हमेसुर रंग रंगीला फूल देश देशना तेज युरे जिलिया सदा संपीने सात सु खिलिया विविध वेश वनी वनी तो एक जा मनवकुल सो अमे रंग रंगीला फूल. अमे अंगदाम सदा बनेलिया कदिक पड़िया कदिक अखिलिया तू अभा थे पग मनीलिया मंजिल सुधीरी लैने भूल अमे रंग रंगीला फूल. विश्वा अखु कुंभो छे अमारू विश्व अखो कुंभ छे अमारू जगह सुमवाने लागे सुनो प्रिया सिंह गीत लयकेरी सुरीली मंजू Ame Rang Rangila Phul. Which lines will be a song of describe? This song is described to. We will be a different, but we will be a together still. So this chapter will be over. But one from this exercise, one question is there. We all are one. Explain why. So I will explain for this answer. Yes, we all are. We are all one. India is our country and we all are a citizen. This kind of the feeling of the national integrity line our heart people of entire national work with the cooperation, leaving behind internal differences. People of our country have accepted and the national anthem, national song, national epigraphic, and all other national symbols. Everyone show respect and the pride toward them. Therefore, it is a said that we are all one. Means we are all one. We have saying to about this because our national anthem, national song, national emblem, national symbols all are same, and we all have to respect our country. So we are all same. Okay, beta. In the on Saturday, I will send this lessons exercise. So stay at your home, be start the study and enjoy your life. Goodbye, beta.